How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Thought I'd just have a coffee before I start. I'm out and about, quiet, beautiful. It's one of my favourite spots. And we're going to cook today. I'm not going to cook in the kitchen, I'm going to cook outside. And that's what I love to do. Places like this, quiet, no people. Well, there's some people up there, but it's quiet. Beautiful spot, nature. I love it. And what I fancy today is just a simple turkey chili. That's what I want to do. I want to walk about, have a nice hot chili, a little bit of coffee, healthy. I'm going to put some barley in it. Simple ingredients. Just simple. A turkey chili. Let's cook. Right, first what I need to do is my veg. And I've got some bell pepper, got some red one, nice and sweet. Got an onion, beautiful, and a poblano. Look at the size of that. Look at it, massive. Right, quick, let's chop our veg. I just want a rough dice. And your poblano, don't worry about the seeds, just keep them in. And your onion. There's one thing I do love about cooking in the winter. There's no bloody bugs. No bugs. It's nice, there's no bugs going on your food. In the summer, I'm in Georgia, and in the summer it's unbearable. Tons of bugs just flying about. But it makes a nice change. Right, oil in the pot. Little drop of veg oil. Right, your pan's hot, add your veg. Nice. And you just want to sweat these down until soft. I just love the smell of red peppers. Beautiful. Right, my veg is sweated. Next, I'm gonna add some ground turkey. I'm just gonna crumble it in there, just like a little bit. It's smelling amazing, and you really want to cook the turkey until it's nice and brown. Right, next, chili powder. Straight in. Some onion powder. Yes. Some cumin. Just give that a good stir. And you want to cook the chili powder, the cumin, the onion powder for about 5 minutes, just to wake them up. I think cooking outdoors just makes the food smell and taste 10 times better. It just smells amazing. Next, add a can of tomatoes, get them in. I'm using a blend of beans, black beans, pinto beans. Beautiful. Want some water. And I just want a little handful of barley. Beautiful. Give that a good stir. I'm going to cook that for about an hour. And I just want to finish this off with a little bit of parsley. Man, I've got some crusty bread. I'll dip that in. It's getting cold now, but I've got a delicious, healthy, beautiful chili with some nice crusty bread. I love that barley in there. Great addition to the chili. Yeah, it's healthy, and it's so simple to make. Anybody can make this. Simple. Anyway, guys, I'm done. I'll see you next time.